Welcome back. You'll be able to track your outputs by going to your profile area. And if you click on All Outputs History, you'll be able to see your outputs here in this area. You can favorite the outputs. You can also copy the outputs to a specific clipboard in order to put inside of your document. What you can also do is to track your usage of Jasper. And if you want to do that, you can go to your profile area. You're going to see here in this usage area how many credits you have used in real time. And you'll be able to determine how many credits you are going to have left in your account. You can open up each of your outputs into a document. Now, when you save your documents, you're going to be able to place them inside of specific projects that you designate. So for example, if you have a project that you have named, you can move your documents into those folders by going to See All Documents. What you can then do is highlight the documents. You can then move those documents to a project or folder that you have created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.